Hello, welcome everyone. This video I'm going to show you here how you start to change icon. First, what you're gonna do, how to start, go over here, about to type plugins on icons. Once you do that, icons and background remover. Okay, I don't know what's it, but okay, we can start to see that we can go with another icons, which is really Eve icons, font awesome icons, iconify icons, feather icons. So the feather icons like this to run it. Now once you do that, you will start to go for searching these icons. You can see I will start to search for these icons. Okay, so we're gonna open it again, and this may be like loading this set of icons, and you can take the icon and change any icons that you want. There is too many plugins at indicating to these icons.